everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got this 3D LED mini clock. So we're gonna check this thing out and see what this looks like. I don't have anything to open it with here. Let's see. I got the white one. It looks like it can come in black and pink as well. Sorry for opening it so crudely. Here we go. So let's open this up. And looks like it comes with some double-sided tape, a couple of clips and some screws. Show you all the different parts and pieces. It comes with, I guess this is a wire to plug it in. It looks like it's gonna plug into USB, and then it's got a little proprietary little button here for it. And then here is the clock. And let me go grab something to go use it with. I'll be right back. Okay, got myself just a USB battery pack so we can power it up. So let's see how this is gonna work. So it comes with a pretty decent long cable, and it's super nice and thin, so it'll go behind stuff or whatever. So let's see how this will plug into it. Looks like it plugs in on the bottom. You've got that little port there, so it'll just go into that. There, plugged in. And then I will plug it into my battery pack. Oh, and there we go, 439. You can see there. But also what it comes with, I don't know what this button, if this is a button on the top. Oh, I guess so. I guess that maybe is for setting it or something, but here we got the battery pack. And I think I just pulled out the little battery thing here. So this is a little remote. So let's see what we can do here with this. So let's see if we would, so we can change it to 24-hour clock. Let's see, set. Gotta turn it off. Okay, so now we want to do, let's see what time is it? It's 2:41 here, so set. So 41, I guess, would be, or hour would be, Oh, I just go here. 02. Oh wait, is that minute? That's minutes, so that's 41. Enter. So let's try that again. Set. So 2 would be 14. Enter. 2:41. So there we go. Now it's set for the right time. And there we can say 12:18. I guess that's probably different alarms or something. 62 degrees. Look at that. How cool is that? And 2:41. Very cool. So let's see. Let me go read the manual here and see if I'm missing any pieces on that. It's a very nice little minimalist clock, and it's got the little hanging things there, so you can hang it on the wall with just minimal thing. It's very modern looking, so it's gonna look nice in this house here. A very modern house. So yeah, so we can just hook it up with tape and hook it in the USB. Just looking at it here, you got brightness controls. We have time setting, date setting, and alarm setting. So you can just set an alarm for it too. And then the display. So pretty much we got to see it all, except for maybe the alarm. So my battery pack turned off. I think I might have ran out of batteries. Nope, still got a little bit on there. But very cool. So I'm gonna say this is a really neat little clock, very modern looking, and super cool. Thumbs up from me on this. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one of these up for yourself. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.